Aileen and you're watching Snap Science. For this day, we are going to talk about seasons. Before anything else, I would like to show you sample videos showing the common season we have here on Earth.
Here we go. 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 Seasons of the year. 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 Here comes the spring with the rain pouring down. Here comes the spring with the flowers in the ground. Here comes the spring with the rainbow in the sky. Here comes the spring to bring new life. Here comes the spring with the rain pouring down. Here comes the spring with the flowers in the ground. Here comes the spring with the rainbow in the sky. Here comes the spring to bring new life. Here we go. Seasons of the year. 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 Here comes the summer with the heat from the sun. Here comes the summer with the kids having fun. Here comes the summer with the warm breeze. Here comes the summer with the trees so green. Here comes the summer with the heat from the sun. Here comes the summer with the kids having fun. Here comes the summer with the warm breeze. Here comes the summer with the trees so green. Here we go. Seasons of the year. 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 Here comes the fall with the leaves changing color. Here comes the fall with the climate getting cooler. Here comes the fall with the leaves falling down. Here comes the fall with the wind blowing loud. Here comes the fall with the leaves changing color. Here comes the fall with the climate getting cooler. Here comes the fall with the leaves falling down. Here comes the fall with the wind blowing loud. Here we go. Seasons of the year. 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 Here comes the winter with the ice and the snow. Here comes the winter with the freezing cold. Here comes the winter with the days getting shorter. Here comes the winter with the nights getting longer. Here comes the winter with the ice and the snow. Here comes the winter with the freezing cold. Here comes the winter with the days getting shorter. Here comes the winter with the nights getting longer. Here we go. Seasons of the year. 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 Here we go. Seasons of the year.
So that was such a beautiful video. So, as you heard the word season, you might think of it in a more traditional or in a more weather-related way. In general, season is a time characterized by a particular circumstance or feature. You may be curious on why do we have seasons and what causes it to happen. Well, it is caused by the tilt of the Earth's rotational axis away or toward the Sun as it travels through its year-long path around the Sun. As we talk about seasons, it may be astronomical or meteorological in nature, which is both marked by weather conditions, temperature, or length of the day. Let's take a look at the differences between astronomical and meteorological seasons. First type is astronomical seasons. Astronomical seasons are the ones most of us are familiar with because their start dates are listed on our calendar. They are called astronomical because, like our calendar, the dates of their occurrence are based on the position of the Earth in relation to the Sun. We have four astronomical seasons, namely astronomical winter, spring, summer, and fall, also known as autumn. The first one is astronomical winter, which is a result of Earth being tilted to its farthest away from the Sun and the Sun's light aiming directly at the south latitudes. It begins on December 21 or 22. Next is astronomical spring, which is a result of Earth's tilt moving from its maximum lane away from the Sun to one equidistant from the Sun and the Sun's light aiming directly at the equator. It begins on March 20 or 21. Astronomical summer is a result of Earth being tilted to its farthest towards the Sun and the Sun's light aiming directly at the north latitude. It begins on June 20 or 21. The last one is astronomical fall, which is a result of Earth's tilt moving from its maximum lane towards the Sun and to one equidistant from the Sun and the Sun's light aiming directly at the equator. It begins on September 22 or 23. And now we go to meteorological seasons. It has also four classifications, which are the meteorological winter, spring, summer, and fall. First is the meteorological winter, which begins on December 1st and includes the months of December, January, and February. Next is meteorological spring, which begins on March 1 and includes the months of March, April, and May. Meteorological summer begins on June 1 and includes the months of June, July, and August. And the last one is meteorological fall, which begins on September 1 and includes the months of September, October, and November. With these definitions, we can say that meteorological season is another way to define the season by grouping the 12 calendar months into four 3-month periods based on similar temperature. Our very own country, Philippines, is a tropical island. It has only two seasons, the dry and the wet seasons. The dry seasons starts in late November and ends in May. Although foreign visitors think that it is always summer in the Philippines, the Filipinos think and feel summer in April and May, the hottest months in the Philippines. On the other hand, the wet seasons starts in June and lasts till October. September and October are often the typhoon season in the Philippines. That would be all for today's tutorial about seasons. Keep on watching Snap Science and kindly visit our page on www.snapsciencetutorial.com for more updates. Thank you.